To keep your home running smoothly, you need properly working systems. Heating and cooling to provide comfort, drains and plumbing systems working so they don't back up in your home. Your electrical panel being able to provide adequate power to your electronics and lighting. And your appliances functioning correctly so your food doesn't spoil and you can cook a meal. You need a company who can handle all your home service needs, and that's Hoffmann Brothers. We've been serving St. Louis for over 40 years. We understand how important it is to have someone you trust in your home and someone you can rely on when you have a home emergency. And now you can cover your entire home with our home protection plan. We want to make it easy for you, from preventative maintenance to repairs across all of our services. Our home protection plan gets you discounts off repairs and installations, reduced diagnostic fees, 2 maintenance visits per year, priority service, filters for life, and more. Count on Hoffmann Brothers. We do it all. Click here to sign up for our home protection plan.